Hey you guys, so welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley, aka Pink-UniBudgetz. I did change my name over from Pink-UniWellness to Pink-UniBudgetz. This video, I'm going to be going over my financial goals for 2022. I know I have been gone, but I'm back. New year, new me. You know how they say, new year, new you. So I'm going to be starting. I'm just going to go ahead and write down my financial goals. So this year I really do want to focus on saving $20K for the year. And I really want to focus on paying off $4,000 of credit card debt. I know my handwriting is kind of janky, but you know. Practice, practice, practice on your handwriting. And I do want to pay off, I have to start paying off my student loans. So I want to start paying off at least 15% of my student loans. I want to make sure, one thing I do want to focus on is Pink Uni. That is my business. I want to have at least $5,000 in sales for this year. Or not for sales. Yeah, I already messed up. Was a 5K in, like for, no, 5K for sales, no, 5K in sales. So, whoops, in sales. And I do want to be at least 1 to 2 months ahead on bills. And I also do want to stick with my budget and do no spend months. So stick with budget. And I also want to add in no spend months. So I'll be choosing which months I will be having no spends. So that'll just mean just groceries, gas, and bills. Like nothing extra, no self-care, no nails, because you know I got my press-on nails on today. Because you know I can't really get my nails done, but I love these press-ons. Like I do, they'll be in the description box down below where I get my press-ons from. And I do want to get my side hustles monetized. Like YouTube, that's one of my goals, is to get YouTube monetized. And I'm not sure if TikTok can be monetized. If you know, let me know. Just put it down in the comment section. But right now I'm just gonna stick with YouTube, and I promise I'm trying to be more consistent on this platform. I know I did fall off, but sometimes that happens when life hits you, because I do have to kind of get my financials under control. But 2021, I already know this is my year. This is my year. This is my year. I'm putting it out there. So I'm gonna keep going. So these ones: save 20K for the year, pay off 4K credit card debt, pay off 15% of my student loans. I want to get 5K in sales for Pink-Uni and be 1 to 2 months ahead on my bills. Stick with my budget and no spend months, and get side hustle monetized or get YouTube monetized to bring in some extra income. And I know I need to be consistent with my cash stuffings. So I was like, what else is a good financial goal? I'm trying to put 8 goals for this year. Oh yeah, saving challenges. I do want to start and finish saving challenges. So I do want to do saving challenges. I'm probably going to create one to help me with my cash stuffings and my saving challenges, just to gear up, and everything's going to be going towards that 20K, like overall. So I'm hoping that I accomplish this in the year 2022, and we will get there. We will get there. So that's it for this video, you guys. I just want to make sure that I write this down for myself. What are your guys' goals for financial goals for 2022? Like, let me know down in the comment section. I want to see what other people have going on. You know, we can talk, have some conversations. Budgeting is hard. It goes up and down. I know the last couple years have been hard on some people. So we do want to get it together. And I noticed a lot of people are getting into budgeting. Yay! That makes me so happy. And of course, thank you so much for watching. I know I'm just doodling. But thank you so much for watching Pink-UniBudgetz. And I will try to upload very consistently. Stay on task. That is the goal for this year. So have a good one. I'll see y'all later, boo. Bye.